Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is October 11th, 2024. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day and for bowling day, something I love to do but very rarely do. Because I'm just bad at it, and who wants to be on my team? Alright, so I'm going to choose bowls as my inspiration word for the day. Okay, well I didn't expect a lot, and I didn't get a lot, so that's okay. We know there's an S. We haven't tried R-T-N-E, so right away I'm seeing stern as an option, and I like that S in the first spot. So let's try that, right? No reason not to. I think it looks good. Okay. Well, fine. So the S and the T are there. We picked up a letter, but they don't go there. So I'm thinking ST. What vowels do we have? We've used the O and the E. We've got A, I, U, and sometimes Y. Oh, it could be something like Misty or Musty or I don't know. It could be, can't be chest. We've used the E. It could be aghast. It could be pasty. I think I like pasty more than I like misty. I'm going to try that. I almost did musty. I almost did musty. I've got so many going on in my head. Pasty. Now, do I want to do musty? No. I want the A over the U, right? Chances are it would be an A over a U. And I really want to check out the Y. I kind of don't think it's going to be there, but I couldn't find anything other than aghast that I wanted to try. All right. I don't know if I want to do that. I could do... The reason I was thinking about misty, the reason I was kind of hesitating is I could do misty or musty. For pasty, I can only do pasty. I could do patsy. All right, let's try it anyway. Oh, come on, what am I doing? Oh, shoot. I did get the STY. I did not get the A. But I got the STY. That's actually good. So in here, it's either going to be an I or a U, and I did not narrow that down. I or U, right? If it's an I, it could be... Come on, come over there. There we go. It could be misty. It could be... I'm going backwards. Gisty, fisty, disty. That's all it could be if it's an I. That's all I can see. I don't think an S, a T, or a Y would work there. If it's a U, it could be musty. It could be gusty. It could be dusty. Okay, so we've got a lot of things to try. We definitely want to try the M, and we're definitely going to want to try the U and the I. I guess the U or the I, because if we get one, we get it, and if we don't get it, then we know what happens there. Okay, that's not a real thing. So what could I do? D, G, E is a good ending, like midge. But to get the U and the I in there, and those consonants, I don't think that's going to work. If I only had two, I would go with gusty because of the hurricanes. Ah, shoot. What if we do... I can't just do fudge. because we don't get the M in there. Is that okay if we don't get the M in there? What if we do fudge and it's musty? Well, then we wouldn't have the M, and we would have already excluded gusty and dusty. Wow, I'm not going to be able to do this in under 5 tries, and I'm afraid I'm not even going to get it at all. So if it's musty, I think we would understand. If it's misty, we wouldn't get anything, and I think that I would then just try misty and hope for the best. If it's gusty, we would get that. If it's dusty, we would get that. I think fudge is a fine one, and there's an F just in case I really miscalculated what the word is. We get an extra thing in there. Mudge isn't a word, is it? You know, I feel like I should try mudge just in case. Oh, midge is probably a word. M-I-D-G-E? Oh, let me try that. We got a G, we didn't get an I, it's gusty. Man, if it had only been 2. I'm pretty sure it's gusty. The G could go here. It has to go in one of these spots. It's not going to be G-S-T-Y. We need a vowel. We don't have one except a Y. So I think the U goes there. That's the only one that's unused. And it's gusty. Boy, is it gusty. All right. Well, that caused me a little pain right there. Let's go ahead and jump into our Quordle and see if I can do this more quickly. I'm going to put in fishy, budge, clown, tramp. I'm going to put in pushy because that is obvious here. I am going to put in, let's see, M-E. Anime. Anime, A can go here, N can go here, I can go here. And it's really hard. This is a word that's hard for a lot of people because it's a Japanese borrowed word. But anime. And then S does not go here. So, and it's not siren, it's rinse. R-I-N-S-E. R can go here, N can go here, S can go here. Rinse. And then B does not go there. And R does not go there. And E does not go there. A doesn't go there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it could be one of these other letters. Oh, I think I know what it is. Z could go there. E could go there. B could go there. R could go there. A could go there. That should be done. If it takes the input. It's not taking it. There we go. Zebra. All right, yeah. So the Quordle did go a lot quicker for me this time round. Well, I got pushy right away. I tend to get pushy, so that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.